In tropical rainforests, trees can grow up to 50 meters high. Do you know how these trees support themselves in the forests? Many tall trees in tropical rainforests are supported by buttress roots. Let's have a simple experiment. First, prepare 2 new pencils. Label them A and B. Hold pencil A. Then let go of the pencil. Can the pencil stand on its own? If it can stand on its own, blow on it. Can it still stand? Now, let's do a similar experiment using pencil B. But this time, we need to prepare a piece of card. Cut it into a size of about 8 centimeters by 8 centimeters and fold it into a shape as shown. Cut a small hole in the middle of the piece of card so that pencil B can fit in. Can it stand upright? Blow on the pencil. Can it still stand? Pencil B can stand because it is supported by the folded card. This experiment simulates how buttress roots support tall trees in tropical rainforests. The pencils and the piece of card represent the tree trunk and buttress root respectively. To conclude, buttress roots provide a strong mechanical support to tall trees in the rainforests.